report so far about pulmonary fat embolism, and it showed that out of these 198,000 cases reported by over 600 plastic surgeons, they had only 32 deaths. From these 198,000 surgeries, there were 32 deaths that were associated with pulmonary fat embolism. That study was carried out in 2017 by this Aesthetic Surgery Education and Research Foundation. And they discovered that the reason why they even had those 32 mortalities was because people were injecting into the fat, just like I told us. Those plastic surgeons those days used to inject the fat, not just in the fat layer, which is called the subcutaneous layer. They were also injecting fat into the muscle. And that's what led to them to have that high mortality of 32 patients out of 198,000. You can tell me that 32 is bad, but it's not so bad when you compare with 198,000. How many surgeries that you have 198,000 surgeries and you have 32 deaths? If it's heart surgeries, you have 198,000, you have higher than that. If it's brain surgeries, you have higher than that. So it is still comparatively low. But the reason was because they were injecting the fat into the muscle. Now, they adjusted it and educated people to stop injecting into the muscle and start injecting the subcutaneous layer. And what happened? That number dropped drastically to from 1 in 6,000 people to 1 in 14,000. Now, so they moved from 32 patients dying from 198 surgeries to 10 people dying from 148,000, just because of change in technique. And this was 2020. We're in 2026. Medicine evolves very, very fast. We have gone past the level of saying that because you are doing fat transfer, then automatically you have pulmonary fat embolism. As I've said, they may have their own data, but this is scientific data that I'm showing you guys, that studies showed in 2020, just 10 patients died.